Let's look at the polar coordinate system provided in automet. Polar coordinates are made up of two values, the azimuth and zenith. The azimuth value is between 0 and 360 degrees and sits on what might be thought of as a horizontal axis. The azimuth starts at 0, pointing north, 90 degrees pointing east, 180 degrees pointing south, and 270 degrees pointing west. The other value is the zenith, which is between 0 and 180 degrees, and can be thought of as the vertical axis. The zenith starts at 0, pointing upwards, 90 degrees at the horizontal axis and 180 degrees pointing straight downwards. Here are a variety of examples showing you how this system works.